The Kerala Chief Minister has denied it, but the opposition is relentless, willing to settle for nothing less than Oommen Chandy's resignation. Following scathing allegations against the Chief Minister in the solar scam, the left has called for a strike in the state. But after an outright dismissal of his resignation, will Oommen Chandy be able to firefight the crisis, or will he be forced to step down?
Every day, more and more revelations about the involvement of Oommen Chandy and his colleagues in the solar panel scam is coming out. And the people are protesting against this, asking the government to resign. But the government is not resigning. There will be total hartal today. And we are sure the entire democratic forces in this country will support this hartal, and the people will not lie down. They will definitely protest against the government action.
Raining heavily in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city of Kerala, but there seems to be no respite from the solar heat for Chief Minister Oommen Chandy, as the left front has launched a massive protest across the state. We are now in the middle of a protest demonstration as part of a hartal or general strike called by the left front across the state, and it has turned out to be a bandh in all practical purposes except for some private vehicles which have ventured out onto the streets. The left front had declared that there is no going back from the demand for the Chief Minister's resignation and a judicial probe into the solar scam, and they've announced a series of protests across the state, starting with a youth organization's march on the 12th of this month, to be followed by several public meetings and to be culminated with a non-stop satyagraha or a sit-in in front of the government secretariat here. Oommen Chandy seems to be having the backing of the Congress party and the UDF. However, the opposition has declared very clearly that they will not stop their protest or go back from their demand for his ouster.
The Chief Minister's office is alleged to have involved because many deals were struck in Chief Minister's office, and many ministers are being alleged to have involved. So this is a serious issue, and the Congress party or the UDF led by Congress party, the Chief Minister Mr. Oommen Chandy are not taking any moral responsibility. They are not taking any political responsibility. That's why the LDF, the left parties, have taken up this issue.